In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and resize pictures on your Acuity scheduling site. This will help you enhance your site's visual appeal and overall client experience. To get started, let's first open your browser and head over to the Acuity scheduling website. Once there, simply click on Login and sign in using your email. If you're looking to speed up this process, you can opt to continue with Google for a faster login experience. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is where you manage all your scheduling settings. From here, navigate over to the scheduling page and click on Settings to find the options we need. Now, if you want to upload a logo, scroll down until you see the Logo section. Click on Choose File and select the image you want to use from your computer. Once selected, the image will be seamlessly added to your page. It's a straightforward process, but do make sure the image you're uploading fits the recommended dimensions or format for best results. For those interested in inserting images directly into your scheduling instructions, you'll need to find the option to Insert Image. Just like with the logo, click Choose File again, select your desired image, and upload it. Be mindful that Acuity does not support image resizing within the platform itself. Therefore, it's important to use editing software beforehand to resize your images to the desired dimensions. This ensures your pictures appear just as you'd like them, without any hiccups when they're live. Once you've added all your images and they're just how you want them, don't forget the crucial step of clicking Save Changes. This will ensure all your updates are applied and your scheduling site looks exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it. You've successfully added a touch of visual appeal to your scheduling site, whether it's through logos or custom images, making the experience more engaging for your clients. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize and enhance your site. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Your engagement helps us create more content that you love. Happy scheduling!